So can you do this with anything? Here's an interesting little side play around kind of a thing, just to show how this could work out in the wild. But if I import turtle, right? We love the turtle. We've been playing with the turtle all semester. But if I import the turtle, I can actually use the turtle as my parent object and create something new, right? So let's say I want to create a class called Super Turtle, or Super T for short. And I'm going to tell it that I want to use from my turtle module the turtle class as its parent. So now my super turtle can do everything that I told it to. But let's say the regular turtle, it's just a basic turtle. It's just a boring original turtle. Let's say I want to make my turtle, or give my turtle, my super turtle, the ability to draw a rectangle with just one method called. So I'm going to say define rectangle, and I'm going to give it an int height and int width as the two arguments. And to draw a rectangle, right, I need to say for x in range, I'm going to do this 2 times. It's going to go forward. We're going to go super T. No, sorry, self, because I'm calling my own method. There we go, self.forward. And we're going to say int height. And then we're going to say self.right 90. And then we're going to say self.forward again. And we're going to go int width. And then we're going to go self.right 90. And it's going to go through that twice, which should give me a rectangle. So now, let's see. Turtle.done, so it doesn't close on me. All right, so let's see what my super turtle can do. My st, my super turtle, equals super t. So I just created a super turtle, and I say my st dot rect 150. Okay, so now it's going to draw a 100 by 50 rectangle. Let's see if it works. So there is my super rectangle from my super turtle. Let's give it some different. Let's go 500 by 50 and make a really skinny rectangle. Okay, so there it goes right off the page. But you can see now, what I've taken is I've taken the turtle class and I've decided, okay, that's my parent class, but I'm going to give it some more special abilities by adding my own methods. So I can do that. I could, if I wanted to, override some of the turtle's methods if I wanted to. Maybe there's a reason for that. But the most important thing is I can take somebody else's class, even if I didn't write the class. If I understand the methods and properties of that class reasonably well, I can take that and create a brand new class that's kind of a shell for that and extend that class as well. So this sort of idea is really powerful for your own programming if you're working with extending your own classes, but taking somebody else's class and extending it is kind of a really cool thing, because if you say, well, I really like this class that this other person wrote, but I really wish it could do X, Y, or Z. Well, now it can, because you can build your own class that is based on that. So that's kind of a big picture of where we can head with object-oriented programming.